This quick video will show you basic maintenance for the QRAE3. To perform a calibration, press and hold both buttons to access the menus. Enter the 4-digit password of 0000 and select OK. Select the calibration menu and then select the multi-span sub-menu. The display will show the concentrations of gas that the meter expects to see. Ensure your cal cylinder values match and connect the gas flow to the inlet of the meter. At the end, the screen will display the values and either a pass or fail for each sensor. Remove the gas, and if all sensors passed, use the exit menus to return to normal operation mode. To calibrate using an AutoRAE 2 calibration cradle, start with the QRAE3 turned off. Place the meter face down on the cradle and close the capture mechanism. This will power up the meter and begin the warm-up sequence. Once both lights are solid green, press the cal button. Once the calibration is complete, the cal light will display solid green for pass or solid red for fail. Press the red trigger to release the meter from the cradle, remove the meter, and read the display for the results of the calibration. To replace a sensor that fails calibration, begin by loosening the 4 captured screws on the upper back of the meter. Flip the meter over and remove the gas plate to access the sensors. Remove and replace the sensors one at a time by aligning the pins properly. Reattach the gas plate and tighten the screws on the back of the meter and recalibrate. Please note, when replacing the O2 sensor, wait 24 hours to allow the new sensor to acclimate to air before performing the first calibration. For anything beyond routine use and maintenance, please contact our service team or visit our website. From all of us here at Allsafe Industries, thank you.